para sa akin.
Yes, kasi lahat naman ng pangyayari, may reason talaga yan. So you just have to learn from that mistake and know that it's gonna, you're gonna get through that
Yeah.
dark moment talaga. So just hold on. Yang mga sinasabi ng ibang tao, mga iniisip nila sa'yo, just don't think about it. Like, that doesn't matter. What's more important talaga is what you think of yourself. And of course, the way you see things, yun yung pinaka-importante. Kaya, props to you guys.
Meron man mga bagay na parang hindi mo maintindihan sa simula. Pero at some point, ibibigay talaga sa'yo ni God kung bakit nangyari yun eh.
Yes.
I-explain niya din sa'yo yun eh. Kahit
Live.
anong mangyari.
Ano nga yun? Live without, ano nga yun?
Live, laugh, love.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Yung without a sign.
Hindi. Believe without a sign.
Live
Work without a purpose.
Yes. That's the ano.
Yun
Kasi
yung-
yan yung pinakamahirap gawin
Drink
is
responsibly.
to just go through life even without signs, even without knowing the purpose. Yun yung pinakamahirap eh.
Oo.
Oo, yung when
Knowing
God
without a purpose.
is silent na, yung parang, God, nasan ka na ba? Bakit hindi ka nagpaparamdam? Yun yung pinakamahirap.